Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, January 14th, 2021. All right, so yesterday was day 83. That makes today 84. I will put a straw over here in the ones place, change that to a 4. Add a cube so we can count. All right, will you help me count? Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. We are almost to our next 10, aren't we? Only 6 more days and we will have been in school for 90 days. Okay, so let's go over these word cards that we practiced this week. How about when I show you the word, you say it, okay? Good. 2. Good. Into. Good. 3. How about this one? Nice. Starts. Good. Over. What about this one? Good job. 4. Remember, that's the number 4. Here's another number word. Good. 5. And how about our last one? Good job. Watch. All right. So this week in our Journeys books, if you remember back to Monday, we read the story, The Big Race. When, who was it? Red Lizard, he wanted to win the big race, didn't he? Now, we kind of touched about why rules are important and why we need rules in our home, in our classroom, in the cafeteria, in sports. They are very important. So now today, if I can find my page, here we go. Here's the nonfiction text that goes along with this. This is the informational text. It gives facts on a topic. It can be from a textbook, article, or website. So let's look for facts about rules as I read. Now we can notice that these pictures have labels on them. Labels are words that tell about a picture or photo. They can even name a part of the picture or the whole picture. What information do the labels in this selection give? So let's take a look and read Rules and Laws by J.C. Cunningham. So this label says health rules. Rules. Who needs rules? We all do. Some rules keep us safe and healthy. Some rules help us learn. There are even rules to help us have fun. Over here, the label says safety rule. Can you find the child following this rule? Raise your hand to speak. Do you see the child following that rule? Good, over here on school rule. What other rules are these children following? What could happen if they did not follow the rules? What do you think could happen if they didn't follow the rules? If this little girl didn't raise her hand to speak, maybe her whole class would just talk at one time. And then nobody would be able to understand what was being said. Okay, this one is about laws. This says traffic law. Our government has rules too. The rules are called laws. Laws keep us safe and healthy. Laws make sure we treat each other fairly. Here's another one. It says, can you find the person who is obeying this law? Employees must wash hands. What other laws do you think this picture shows? Can you tell the lady serving the food? She has gloves on her hands. Good. Laws help us to be good neighbors and good citizens. Like that car stopping at the stop sign. They're using the crosswalk. The traffic guard is telling this car up here to stop. What laws do you think these people are following? How do laws help? I see a car back here stopped behind the school bus. They're following a law. They're following a law going on to the airplane. It looks like they're maybe at airport security. All right, who needs rules and laws? We all do. All right, we learned a lot of facts about rules and laws, didn't we? Okay, so for today in your reader's notebook, let me pull you closer so you can see better. Okay, so for today in your reader's notebook, you are going to be doing pages 206 to 208. So let's take a look at 206. They give you a word bank over here with long A words. We have came, late, make, brave, shake, and gave. Now let's do the first three together. I got here. What would make sense? What do you think? What word? Good. Late. Late. Don't forget that silent E on the end of these long A words. How about number 2? Will you blank me a cake? What would make sense from our word bank over here? Good job. Make. Ache. Silent E. And our last one. He blank to play with me. What do you think? Look at our word bank again. Good. Came. Aim. Silent E. All right, so you can go ahead and fill in these 3 on your page and then do the last 3 by yourself. See if you can find out those words that make sense. Now, on number 207, you're going to circle the correct noun. You're going to see if there's just one of something or if there's more than one, okay? And then on page 208, I want you to pick an animal. Any animal. It does not matter if it's a sea creature, a house pet, anything. I want you to tell me your topic. And then maybe you wonder what that animal eats. And you can write 3 facts about what they eat, or how they keep warm, or where they live. Remember, any animal that you choose, okay? So make sure for today, for Thursday, you do pages 206 to 208. Don't forget to send me a picture, and I will see you in just a bit for math.